Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little program where we search for folders and files and store them in lists. Okay, so I've created a list of files here which is empty, a folders list, and created a function here called file folder. So what we do, I created a variable called path and assigned it to input here, which will take the user input. So the user will enter the path into there that they want to search, and then we got os.path.isdir, change directory into this path. Now for that we need to import the os module. I'm going to create another variable here called list directory, list dir, and I'm going to assign it to os.list_dir and then the path. So it's going to list the files and folders in that path. Right, now what we have to do is we have to loop over all those files and folders. So we use for loop, and I'm just going to use f in list dir. I'm going to create a variable here called full path. I'm going to assign that to os.path.join. So we're going to join the path, the files and folders there. Then we're going to come down onto a conditional because we're going to evaluate something. So if os.path.isfile full path full path, we're going to print, we're going to use f string here, f is file. So if the path is a file, we're going to print it's a file, and then we're going to append it. Whoops, what have I done there? Okay, so that's going to be, we're going to append it to this list here. So that's going to be files.append f. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the else if or elif part of the conditional. os.path.isdir. So if it's a directory, full path, it's a directory, we're going to do something else. So print the f here is directory, then we're going to append it to this list here. So folders dot append f. Or else if it's something else, this is just our little catch-all. I'm just going to print a generic error message, print unknown. Yeah, so that's the first part of it. So then what we're going to do, we're going to create another function down here called stored results. We're going to use time.sleep. Make sure we've got the time module on board. Got the time module on board here. Yeah, there's the time module. We need to import the time module for that to work. time.sleep, and then what we're going to do is we're going to use the print command. Simply going to type in files here, and then we're going to print out the files list, and we're going to use the print command again, print, and then that's going to be folders, and we're going to print out the folder list, which is going to be folders. Now all we need to do is call the program, so we call the first part, which is file folders, we print the second part, is that right? File folder, okay, file folder, print the second part, which is stored results, okay, and then save it. All we have to do now is run it. Let's go into here, okay, enter path, so I'm going to search the desktop path, so that's going to be C users mark desktop. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so it's printed out basic English is a directory, Bangkok scenes.txt is a file, so it's told us all this stuff here. So if I've not got anything embarrassing on here, no The Secret Life of John Holmes or anything like that. Okay, it looks all pretty decent. Okay, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit here. So it's printed all of that for us. And then what it's done is it's printed out the files here. All these are files, and the folders that it's stored in the lists. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.